kami.
Azman.
Untuk kali ni kumpulan 2 automatic cement layer machine. Jadi sebelum tu saya memperkenalkan ahli kamu semua kepada panel jemputan kita, iaitu Profesor Teknologis Engineer Dr. Shahiron. Selamat datang Prof ke panel kami. Jadi saya sebagai moderator, Encik Wan Ahmad Faizal, akan menjemput untuk kumpulan final year projek ni untuk present. Dipersilakan.
Hello. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our moderator, Encik Wan Ahmad Faizal, and our panel for today, Professor Shahiron Shahidan from UTHM. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Amir bin Azman. My registration number is 01DKA 18F1107, and also introduce my group member, Muhammad Iqbal and Suaibah. Okay, for today, we want to present about our project. We give this project name is automatic cement layering machine. So we go to the content of this slide. The first is the introduction of this project. This slide have a problem statement, objective, scope of study, methodology, Gantt chart, and result analysis. For the introduction, this introduction story about the history about bricks and cement. The first point is explain about our country, which is Malaysia is one of the country that have a lot of laborers from all over the world, especially in the field of construction. The second is brick is the main material that used in construction sector. Brick is a small rectangular blocks that used in building. According to Ahmed 2014, bricks manufacturing has improved significantly during the last few decades. Technology has allowed for more brick size, texture, and colors. The material that used in construction is cement. Cement is a binder. Function of the cement is to bind sand and gravel together. System laying cement over the brick will be improving with earning the prototype. This model will be put over the bricks and it will move by using a mortar. Next one. Okay, this is a problem statement. For the issue in the project, there is too much waste in building material today, such as mortar. Second, do not take serious in the cement process. The second problem statement is factor. The contractor does not emphasize the issue at hand. Second, employee attitude toward the issue. The third problem statement is effect. This effect is effect to environment and society. For the literature review, construction waste management is very important for developing countries like Malaysia. Special construction waste management acts like required to address critical issue in Malaysia. In addition, contractor, client, consultant, and all parties need to work closely and assist the country towards sustainable management of construction waste. It is from Nagapan S. Rahman A. and Asmi A. 2012. In year 1991, Giorgio and Paolo have discovered the application to robot arm to place the tile. Puma 562 manipulator robot with 6 degree of freedom has been used as a preliminary investigation to automate placing the tiles on the surface. Next. Okay, this is objective of the project. Uh, there are three objectives. First, to design an automatic cement laying process. Second, to develop a thickness adjuster for brick surface evenly. Third is to evaluate the effectiveness automatic cement laying machine. For the first, to design an automatic cement laying process. We designed this project because of we looks and we find there are so many wastage on the construction field, such as mortar. The mortar falling or spill are left during the bricks lifting process. Then we want to save the time of brick tying process. Next. Okay, this is scope of the project or study. The users of this project are focused on construction site in Umko Polytechnic. For example, when construction is a bricklaying process, these prototypes are used to simplify works and save time. The machine will also be introduced and exposed to Polytechnic students, especially to civil engineering students, as they want to give them early exposure on the machine. Okay, the main material used to design this machine are RC motors, steel box, Arduino Uno, and wheels. Next, we go to my friend to explain about the second objective.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to the panel, Prof. Shahiron Shahidah and moderator Encik Wan. My name is Mohammad Iqbal Hakim, the Jamri, and my metric number is 01 DKA 1F1105. I will proceed to the objective number 2, which is to develop a thickness adjuster for brick surface evenly. This objective explains that how the prototype was been making, what the material that been used, and many more. For methodology, stage 1 is preliminary study. First, we identify the problem, which are problem about waste of the building material, which is save mortar, saving a manpower and time. Next, we define the objective, which are to design an automatic simulating process, to develop a thickness adjuster for brick surface evenly, and to evaluate the effectiveness of automatic bricklayer machine. Number 3 is scope of study. For scope of study, we focus the prototype for use in Ankoma Polytechnic. Number 4, we define the signification of the study, which are the important and the priority of the project. Number 5 is research methodology, is we find in the information and data about the project that we have want to do. For stage 2 is data collection. For data collection, we define 3 objectives. First, of the objective is we define and make a research from journal or report that have been made before. Number 2 is we make a early sketch, find the material and make the prototype. For objective number 3, make a questionnaire and give to the student in Ankoma Polytechnic to answer the question. Next, we go to Gantt chart. Red is actual and black is expert. For the overall of the Gantt chart, what we expect is same what we actual process, which which the design is going well from week 1 to week 3. For research design, it takes 3 weeks uh, from week 1 to week 3. Research material take 4 weeks, start from week 1 to week 4. For develop, it take 3 weeks, start from week 3 and week 5 from to week 5. For progress presentation, it take 4 weeks, start from week 5 until week 8. Test take 3 weeks from 4 weeks from week 7 to week 9. Only for the presentation, one, the date for presentation was postponed to week 9, which should have last the week 8 due the corona pandemic. This is 3D design and drawing. This is the first design that we make before the prototype have been made. There are 3 views, early design that have been made, which are top view, side view, and bottom view. This is ongoing project. Firstly, we coding programming stage. Next, we measuring, making steel box, and installing stage. First is building and construction stage. First is breadboard. Breadboard used for connecting the wire from Arduino Uno, phone sensor, and many more. Second, we have RC wheel. This function to move the steel box for putting cement mortar over the brick. Next is RC motor to connect with tire for making a movement. Next is MH sensor series used for detect the brick that need to put the cement mortar. Next we have Arduino Uno to make a signal and control the steel box. We have a power bank to use for giving a power to RC motor. We have steel box is main material that used for carry the material or component and the cement motor. And we have a jumper wire to connect the Arduino Uno to the RC motor. This is a prototype review. We have outside view, inside view, and bottom view. How the prototype working is the cement will be put on the steel box. After that, the prototype will be on. The MH sensor will be detect the brick, and the prototype will be moving while the cement mortar will be layered over the brick. Thank you. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you to Iqbal. Good morning to to Prof Shahiron and Cik Wan. Today I will present about objective number 3, which is to evaluate the effectiveness of automatic cement layering machine. Which is how we collect the data. Next. Continue to methodology. As we can see, stage 3 is data analysis and result, which is Likert scale and graphical chart. And stage 4, discussion and conclusion. Next. Okay, for result analysis, we use questionnaire to take the data. Here I only take several of result. Two question yes and no, and two Likert scale. Okay. Firstly, we can see the biggest of respondents say yes to this product can save time in bricklayering process, which is 98%, and only smaller numbers of respondents said no to this product can save time in bricklaying process, and uh, the biggest of respondents said yes to this product can save the mortar usage, which is 91.8%, and a small number of respondents said no to this product can save the mortar usage. Only 82% said no. Next to Likert scale. Likert scale, the highest number of students say agree to the application use control. The product is very helpful and user friendly, which is 48%, and the lowest number of respondents said strongly disagree. The application used to control the product is very helpful and user friendly, which is 4%. Next, this is the higher number of students say agree to this product is very easy to operate in through bricklaying process, which is 48%, and the lowest number students say strongly disagree, which is only 2%. Next. In conclusion, this project was made to reach the objective, which are to design an automatic simulating machine to develop and thickness adjuster for brick surface evenly, and to evaluate the effectiveness of the automatic bricklayer machine. We hope we can solve our problem statement that we have stated. This automatic simulator machine only use the cheap material, and the material is easy to find. We hope this automatic simulator machine can be used by all contractors and construction sites in Malaysia, and can facilitate the labor to make brickwork. The recommendation in upgrading this project is the future semi-repellent can be used for the cement to flow smoothly. We hope this automatic cement laying machine can be used to people out there, no matter they are involved in construction or not, and no matter they are skilled labor or not. That's all from us. Thank you.
Okay.
Okey.
Ha.
Okey, kita boleh Q&A cik?
Ya. Boleh ke?
Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you for your presentation. It's very good in terms of construction punya part. Okay, I have several questions. Yang pertama, boleh balik pada slide tadi tak? Saya nak tengok you punya problem statement.
Boleh? Sekejap
Ha. Okay, cukup. Faktor yang kedua, kalau you refer factor, the contractor does not emphasize the use of at hand, the issue at hand. Boleh explain sikit tak? Saya tak jelas kalau yang ni.
Mungkin ada siapa-siapa nak explain?
Siapa nak explain?
Iqbal ke? Amir ke?
Kejap ya, Prof.
Boleh. Tak apa.
Boleh saya
Boleh.
serang bahasa Melayu?
Boleh, tak ada masalah.
Okay. Dia macam ni lah, macam tanggungjawab dekat site tu kan tanggungjawab kontraktor kan. So kontraktor dia macam tak ambil berat lah pasal isu tu. Kira macam dia tak alert lah dengan apa kes yang berlaku dekat site. Dia just okay ada pekerja, okay buat macam tu. Kira dia tak ambil berat tentang wastage apa semua tu kan. Semua tu boleh menjejaskan kos macam tu lah. So
mana awak dapat information tu? Saya pun nak tahu juga.
dalam artikel atas dekat introduction tu kalau
Kita dekat introduction tadi.
dekat introduction ni
Ada saya terbaca tadi ada nampak nagapan.
Nagapan.
Saya rasa sebelum objektif kot. Literature review. Ke daripada situ. Ni nagapan. Saya kenal ni Dr. Sasi ni, Sasi Tara Nagapan. Cik Wan kenal kot?
Saya rasa saya selalu nampak nama ni.
Ni Sasi Tara Nagapan. Dia dulu staf politeknik. Kalau A. Rahman tu sebenarnya biasa bukan A. Rahman tu. I. Rahman kot. Ismail Abdul Rahman tu. Dia punya supervisor. Ini masa Dr. Sasi Tara buat construction pula buat PhD. Sebab saya punya student pun buat juga pasal waste ni, construction waste, tapi kita guna construction waste ni dalam konkret. Kita macam reuse balik apa yang ada kat makmal ni. Jadi kita tak ada apa-apa tak adalah disposal macam tu je lah kan.
Waziran.
So boleh sama balik ni
Suaibah. Yang tu kira kalau kita macam yang take note pasal wastage tu lah kan, sekarang kan kita ada pekerja asing kan, mestilah dia macam dia tak take note pun benda tu sebenarnya. So bukan dia macam diberi cakap yang dia diberi apa orang cakap macam latihan lah, kata okay jangan adakan wastage macam tu. Dia orang just buat je macam tu lah.
Okay. Amir.
Ya?
Saya nak tanya, apa kan awak dah develop awak punya prototype ni, apa kod yang awak pakai, yang awak refer? Ada tak refer in terms of cement layer ke kod practice yang awak guna?
Kod practice untuk projek ni kami guna itu yang apa tu, tentang ketebalan simen di atas masa proses ikat bata.
Apa kod dia? Ingat tak?
Kod dia tak ingat, Prof.
Tak apa, nanti next time kan. Saya tak rasa saya je nak test sebab saya rasa tak ada apa-apa isu. Cuma sometimes kelemahan mana-mana even student saya pun bila tanya dia, alamak dia macam tak tahu detail kan. Tapi kita saja je nak tahu kan. Tapi sepatutnya in your fingertip lah bila orang sebut okay British Standard BS 8110 apa-apa macam tu lah. Sebab benda tu yang kita selalu guna kan. Sepatutnya macam fingertips code of ethics, apa awak pakai, refer apa ke, itu je lah. Saya nak tanya Iqbal Hakim.
Boleh tuan.
Iqbal, boleh tak bagi saya estimate cost awak buat prototype ni berapa cost ke awak mention tadi saya tak pasan?
Yang actual ke yang betul-betul?
Yang actual dengan betul-betul tu sama kan?
yang rancang ke yang actual?
Yang actual.
Yang actual ni dalam 500.
Oh, 500? Yang awak buat sekarang ni?
Sebab upah coding.
So memang bajetnya dapat sendiri ke memang ada daripada poli ke macam mana?
Sendiri.
Pada sendiri.
Okey. Sebab saya tengok awak punya dengan board sekali, semua electrical board, so macam wah, ini orang kata multi purpose punya student ni semua boleh. Okay. Dah buat copyright ke?
Belum.
Copyright?
Belum.
Belum. Pattern pun belum. Semua belum.
Kalau boleh copyright lah, nanti takut jugalah kan kalau dah. Saya tak pastilah di Politeknik berapa charge. Macam kami di sini copyright charge RM50 je.
Biasanya
Satu
harga
macam saya.
satu item.
Kan murah je kan. Macam
satu item.
saya kalau student FYP saya, kalau dia buat satu produk tu, saya copyrightkan terus. Bayar RM50 terus copyright. So tak ada siapa nak ambil dah. Sebab pernah ada student saya ni, yelah kadang-kadang kan student ni dah grad tahun 2000, katakanlah 2014. Lepas tu kita tak sangka pula student yang tahun 2019 ni dia copy sebiji thesis dia.
Ada.
Ada.
Ya, ada.
Memang ada. Kita pun takut kan? Sebab saya tengok tadi dengan gambar yang awak tunjuk tu dengan video yang awak bagi situ macam okey lah, impress jugalah. Saya tak ada apa-apa kot. Itu je lah.
Okay.
Saya sangat kagum sebab boleh buat motherboard. Saya pun tak boleh nak buat. Congratulations lah.
Terima kasih.
Ini semua ni lepas ni sambung mana? Sambung Politeknik? Sambung degree?
Kerja.
InsyaAllah.
InsyaAllah.
Sambung degree. Kat PUO ada degree sekarang kan?
Ya, ada.
Ada.
Sambung je lah. Rugi kalau tak sambung. Itu je lah kot, Cik Wan, daripada saya.
Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Prof kerana sudi menjadi panel bagi projek kami ini. Terima kasih juga kepada pelajar-pelajar semua kerana present, dan kita boleh tamatkan sesi kita sekarang. Terima kasih semua.
Terima kasih Prof.
Cik Wan, Cik Wan, saya nak tanya,
Ya.
saya perlu left ke tak perlu left? Sebab saya tengok macam kod dia sama je. Kalau tak sama,
kalau nak save
perlu
data boleh left lah, nanti masuk balik.
Okey.
Boleh left. Okey.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Terima kasih Prof.
Terima kasih Cik Wan. Terima kasih Prof.
Okey Amir. Terima kasih Amir. Suaibah.